Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Vietnamese style grilled chicken with a barbecue slaw. Sounds a bit weird? No, it's great. Let's get on with it. Right, here I've got around about a tablespoon's worth of garlic powder, about a tablespoon's worth of onion powder. Right, put that straight into a bowl. About half a teaspoon's worth of white pepper, put that in, and half a teaspoon's worth of black pepper. You might have seen this sort of thing before. We're going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of French onion soup powder, and I'm going to add in a quarter teaspoon's worth of ground cloves, and about half a teaspoon's worth of ground ginger. They can go in. Quarter teaspoon's worth of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon's worth of ground cardamom. That's going to go in. Now, I'm going to funk this up. I'm going to put in a little bit of lemon myrtle, and this little type of marinade I do use for different types of meats at different times. I'm just sort of showcasing it a little bit more recently. And about a third of a cup's worth of peanut oil. That's going to go in. Now, this recipe I do use quite often, but as I said, haven't showcased it, but we need more flavour. Alright, so we've got all of our marinade there. I'm going to add in around about 3 tablespoons worth of rice wine vinegar, and I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of ketchup mayonnaise, right? A beautiful sweet soy. And I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons, maybe 3 teaspoons worth of fish sauce. Depends on how you like your flavours. About a tablespoon's worth of Chinese rice wine or Xiaojing wine, and I'm going to add in around about, I'd say about a quarter cup's worth of brown sugar. You can use palm sugar. The brown sugar is just quick and easy to do. I've got some scallions or spring onions. I've got about 3 of those. I'm just going to give those a rough chop. They're going to go straight in as well, just like that. And here I've got some lemongrass. I'm just going to finally slice this through, just like I'm doing right there. And lemongrass, beautiful flavour. And I'm in the process of propagating that. I'm working on a video to show you how to make or how to grow your own lemongrass. Alright, grab all of that, put that straight into the marinade, just like that. Really, really simple. Okay, give all of that a good stir through. Really, really simple. And taste. And if you like it, keep it. If you don't, work out what you think you've missed out on what ingredient. I'm going to add a little bit more white pepper in. I just want a little bit more of that zinginess to it. And I'm also going to add in some fresh garlic, around about 1.5 cloves worth, and around about sort of the same again, with a little bit more of garlic paste, ginger paste. I want to get more of an intense flavour happening to this. I'm also going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of mint, right? That's actual mint that I've bought. It's one of these sort of freeze dried. They're not dried, it's sort of fresh mint, which is all chopped up for you. A good sludge of coriander paste, probably about 2 teaspoons worth. That can go in, and again, mix all of that through. And we're going to taste and see how that is again. Alright, I'm pretty happy with all of that. So I'm just going to add in around about 1 kilo of chicken thighs straight into our marinade, just like that. You're going to give them a really good stir through. Make sure we coat all sides, nooks and crannies and everything else of those chicken thighs with that marinade. Really, really simple. And we're going to leave this for, I would say, at least 1 hour, 2 to 3 hours, even better. So you can do this in the morning, and if you need to cook midway through the afternoon, that chicken is going to be as flavoursome as you possibly can. Alright, here I've got some shredded cabbage. Now this is the bits of cabbage that I would not use for a salad. These are sort of getting more towards the heart of the cabbage. Still slice them incredibly thin, and these are great for doing stir fries. A little bit of peanut oil that goes down just like that, and a little bit of white pepper. So really finely sliced cabbage. As I said, I'm using the heart. You can use whichever bit of the cabbage you want, but you want a slaw style consistency. Give all of that a bit of a stir through, and I'm going to leave that for a little bit. Alright, we've left that for around about an hour, that cabbage, and I've got the barbecue going. As you can see, it's still quite dark. We haven't hit daylight savings here quite yet, and the lighting isn't the best, so I apologise for that. So I'm just going to put that, because it's already got the oil in it, it's going to cook off quite quickly and quite easily. Right, just give that a little bit of a stir through from time to time. I'm going to add in a little bit of soy sauce. Now if I'm doing this as a salad, I'll use salt. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to give it a little bit more of an Asian style flavour. Alright, as you can see, all that steam's coming off. That cabbage is getting really happy and getting nice and crunchy underneath. And look at the sort of colour we're getting now. We want those little bits of burnt edges. That gives this particular slaw its actual flavour. Those little bits of charred bits of cabbage. Alright, so I'm not going to cook that for a hell of a long time. It's going to cook it until it's just cooked through. I'm going to remove that from the barbecue and put that aside in a bowl. That's going to stay warm. We're not going to have this one cold. We're just going to have it nice and warm. Right? Not hot, just nice and warm. Right, put that into a bowl, set it aside, and let's get on with cooking our chicken. Alright, we've already got enough oil on that chicken as it is, so we don't really need to add anything more. Put your chicken down nice and evenly, just like we're doing right there. And I'm going to cook these for about 6 minutes per side, but I am also going to double check with a probe thermometer. Right, very, very important. Use a probe thermometer, and when it's got an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius, it is cooked all the way through perfectly, and it will still be nice and juicy. So as you see, I'm putting those down. You can see all that beautiful steam coming off, and add a little bit more of that marinade over the top. It's just going to add more flavour. Okay, so just keep doing that. Really nice and simple. And if you haven't tried doing a marinade like this before on the barbecue, wow, what are you missing? It is so tasty, absolutely beautiful, and very, very easy to do. Alright, so we're going to add that spring onion, the lemongrass, everything over the top, and move those around from time to time, and make sure you keep your chicken within the heat range of where your heat is. I'm checking my chicken with my thermometer probe at the moment, and I have already turned it, so we've got a bit of searage on both sides. So go through, and then once you hit that 74 degree mark, you know they're going to be right. So I'll keep flipping them, just checking them from time to time. As I said, around about 5 to 6 minutes per side is around about enough, and I cook those on a medium heat. And using one of these probe thermometers, best thing money can buy. You can check any sort of meat, and this particular one has settings for pork, beef, lamb, chicken, duck, whatever. Alright, I've checked all those. I'm really happy with that. We're going to take that off the barbecue, just like that, and we're going to be getting ready to serve this up. Now Mrs. KP is already cooking up some brown rice in the kitchen, and she's put that down on the plate. I'm going to add some of our nice barbecue slaw on our plate, just like that. And it is this barbecue slaw. It's actually a thing I used to have in a Japanese restaurant when I was a lot younger than I am now, and it's something that sticks in my memory, and I just love it. Right, add your chicken down as much or little as you like. I was hungry tonight, so yep, I'm going 3 thighs, and all we have to do now, clean up our plates and serve. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy, it does taste amazing, and it is worth the marinating process. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Please leave a comment or question, and I love reading and love responding to them, and I will. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make sort of an Asian-inspired meal just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Vietnamese-style grilled chicken with barbecue slaw, and I will catch you next time. Bye.